Dear student, today we are discussing the class 10th level chapter and the chapter name is height and distance, and this is the chapter of application of trigonometry in the class 10th level chapter. In this chapter, at first we are discussing some important topic, and after that we are discussing some important example one by one, and after that we are discussing some topic about related to that chapter. So one by one we are discussing the important topic, then example of this chapter. Now for this chapter, two topic is an important for this part. One is angle of elevation and another is angle of depression. So we draw two triangles at a time to show the angle of depression and angle of elevation. So angle of elevation, when we measure this angle, this is theta, this is the angle of elevation. And angle of depression when we discuss these types of angles. This is the angle of elevations when we measure this angle from lower to the upper side. So from here to upside, then this will be the angle of elevation. And when we discuss these types of angle, that is the upper to lower, then these angles are called the angle of depressions. In this part, that is the height and distance part, the angle of elevation and angle of depression is important topic for this chapter. So this is the important topic, angle of elevation and angle of depression. Now we move to the example section of this chapter. Through example we are discussing the height and distance. Suppose AB is a pole of height 10 meter and the shadow of this pole is 10 root 3 meter, and find angle of elevation of the sun. From here we can say, so AB is a pole of 10 meter and shadow of this pole is 10 root 3 meter. Now the angle of elevation for the sun is theta. Then according to the right angle triangle ABC, tan of theta will be perpendicular, this is the AB, and base, this is the BC. And after putting the value of AB, this is the 10 and BC 10 root 3. Now calculating we get 1 by root 3, and we know the standard value of 1 by root 3 is tan 30 degree. So after cancelling tan in both sides we get theta is equal to 30 degree. So this is the angle of elevation of sun at that times when the shadow of the pole is 10 root 3, the angle of elevation is 30 degree. The angle of elevation is 30 degree. Now we move to the next example. Suppose a man in a aeroplane and the man see the two different places B and C at the angle of depression 30 degree and angle of depression 60 degree. This will be the 30 and this will be the 60 degree. Then we want to find the distance between the 2 points B and C. Here angle QAB is equal to the angle of this one is equal to 30 degree. These are alternative angles, and similarly the angle PAC is equal to the angle ACD. If the value of AD is given and AD is equal to 50√3 meter, then we want to find the distance between the 2 points B and C. We want to find the distance between B and C. Now according to our formula, we are using here the triangle ABD and here the triangle ADC, and now tan 30 is equal to AD by BD, and similarly here tan 60 is equal to AD by DC, and we know that the value of tan 30 is equal to 1 by √3 and AD is equal to 50√3. So BD is equal to 150 after calculating this part, and here we know that the value of tan 60 is equal to √3 and AD is equal to 50√3, then DC is equal to 50. So BC is equal to BD plus DC, that is BD is equal to 150 and DC is equal to 50. 150 plus of 50, that is 200. So the distance between 2 points B and C is 200 meter, because the unit is here meter. This is the complete of second example. Now we move to the third example. Suppose AB is a river, and from the point C the angle is a 60 degree, and from that point 50 meter away the another point D, and then the angle of elevation for the point A is 30 degree. You want to find AB, there is the length of the river or length of the bridge according our given questions. These types of questions is an important for the board exam as well as the competitive exams. So here AB is to be find out, and the angle ACB is equal to 60 degree is given, and angle ADB is equal to 30 degree, and CD is equal to 50 meter is given. Now here from the right angle triangle ABC and from the right angle triangle ABD, from these triangles tan 60 is equal to perpendicular by base. We know that the value of tan 60 is equal to root 3. Then AB and BC is there. Then BC is equal to AB by root 3. And here, this is the tan 30. Tan 30 is equal to, this is the perpendicular and this is the base. So AB by BD, 1 by root 3, and AB and BD is there. Then BD is equal to root 3 times of AB. Here BD minus BC is equal to CD, and we know that the value of BD is equal to root 3 into AB, and BC is equal to AB by root 3, and CD is equal to 50. So after calculating this, AB is common, then root 3 minus 1 by root 3 is equal to 50. Then AB is equal to 50 root 3 divided by 3 minus 1. That is, AB is equal to 50 root 3 by 2. Then AB is equal to 25 root 3. That is, the length of AB is equal to 25 root 3. So the length of the river or length of the bridge according our given problem or questions is 25 root 3 or 25 multiplied with 1.732, when the value of root 3 is equal to 1.732. So this is the complete of another types of example of this chapter, that is the height and distance chapter. And here the application of trigonometric ratio is there. So today we are discussing the different types of example and their formula and their way to find out the value of given distance and their height. Hope shorter discussions and the example will help you to understand this chapter better. While you practicing this chapter in future, this video enrich your knowledge about this chapter.